Okay, so sorry, Locksmith here. So on our little quick tool we're going to make, it'll cost you under $10. Now you notice you do have, it's beveled back here on the back side. It's flush, well straight, and it comes down. We need to get the teeth off there. Here's your snap gun. We're gonna shorten it also. So easiest way, go right here, put your tool on there, get you a black marker. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and mark it right here. And we'll match up the sizes. Bang, they're perfect. I'll leave a little bit on there since this is going to be a sawing motion. I do apologize now for the noise. Make sure, as you can see right below here, I do have water to cool this off because you don't want to get it too hot to where you can't use it because it's melted. So let's make the tool real quick. Now that that's winding down, I'll turn around and actually clean it up with the Dremel back at my shop. Right now we're down here at Charlie Brown's, and you know what? I'm happy with this. Mounted up on the vise, and we'll. All right, so got a locked, just KW1. Use one since this is what the tool is supposed to do, and let's go ahead and see what it does. Oops. There you go. So as you can see, a little $8 tool.